What's going on, everyone? I'm Brian, this is Ryan, and today we're going to tell you everything you need to know to start your own DTF business. So first things first, Ryan, you're going to need DTF Transfers.
Absolutely.
And we provide that.
We do.
You want to walk us through it?
Absolutely. So DTF Transfers, perfect way to get started, customizing really any apparel. It's really a no-brainer. You can have any kind of colors in your design, any sort of design that you want printed, you can achieve with DTF Transfers. And of course, with us here at Ninja, we have no minimums whatsoever. So it's easy to get started. You don't have to go buy a printer, learn how to print DTF Transfers. If you just want to get started, make some samples, see what you like before you launch, Ninja Transfers is perfect. And then when you're ready for the bulk orders, we have the discounts as well. So you'll be getting better pricing across the board there too when you're ready to kind of expand the operation.
Obviously no minimums, but if you already kind of have brand ideas in mind, right, like a neck tag or something, you can just get gang sheets and you can just store them and have them.
Absolutely.
You don't need to use them right away. So if you get a gang sheet of about 200 neck tags, you don't think you're going to run through them in a month, but they'll last you pretty much forever if you keep them in a good dry environment.
Yeah,
so.
I'm still pressing up stuff I printed over a year ago, and
Right.
it's working just fine. So definitely keep them in a good spot. You can kind of go back to it, take advantage of that pricing up front, and then you're just going to reap the rewards moving forward.
Absolutely. After DTF Transfers, you're going to need something to press it on, right?
Of course.
And that's where we also come in. Isn't that the beautiful thing? We come in everywhere.
There's nothing like being a one-stop shop.
I know. We also offer blank apparel on Ninja Blanks. And again, no minimums there. And we have pretty much any brand you could possibly think of from a blanks perspective, from like Hanes, Gildan to Comfort Colors, even like Adidas, whether you want to go premium or you want to stay on the cheaper side. I think our cheapest blank is Gildan G500. Comes out to about like $2.50. Again, our DTF Transfers can press on everything that we offer on Ninja Blanks. So it doesn't matter what you get there, it'll work with our DTF Transfers. And again, no minimums. It's a beautiful thing.
Yeah, and they're at wholesale prices right off the bat. So you'll be getting a cost-effective option, really regardless of what you're choosing. But, we got price points for every kind of project you're looking to do.
Last, but certainly not least, you're going to need something to actually press these DTF Transfers onto your garments.
Do we sell those as well?
What do you think?
Of course we do.
Take a wild guess.
Of course we do. Let's get real.
Obviously, for the best results and the most professional finish, we recommend going with a heat press. Now, it's going to be your biggest upfront cost.
For sure.
There's no doubt about that, but it's not like you have to buy it every single time you need to press, right? You just need to buy it once, and you're pretty much set. As long as you take good care of it, it'll last you a lifetime. If you are starting off small, you can use an iron or a Cricut, but as I said, the best results are going to come from a heat press, especially if you're doing full front designs or full back designs. You're going to want to get even pressure across the whole design, and a heat press, it's really the only way you're going to be able to get it.
And it's easier too, just especially if you're doing not a huge run, if you're doing more than a couple at a time, the heat press is just going to save you a lot of time and just bothersome stuff. So time's money in this business. Money is money in this business. So the more time you save, the more money you're going to be making here.
Exactly.
And we have a ton of tips on that as well. So you can definitely join our Facebook group. We'll leave a link for that for you. Pop in there, ask questions, interact with folks. We've got a great community in there with a lot of great tips and tricks as well.
If you have any questions, go to the Facebook group or leave them in the comments down below and subscribe to our channel.